Tiles cut flat as glass. What kind of blade do you think that is? Wood dowel maker with adjustable sizes. One machine handles the whole workshop. CNC carves wood like drawing with a blade. Detail down to 0.104 inches. Paper plates pressed thin layer by layer. Cool. This factory's in California. Robot stacks like an ant colony. How many boxes per minute, you guess? Robot paints with perfect lines, like drawing with a robotic hand. Factory in Washington packs fast. Fruit doesn't wait long. Can lids sliced like opening tuna tins? What's the spinning speed in RPM? Induction furnace melts metal in seconds. Kind of feels like magic. Springs coiled like spring rolls, not even half a turn off. French fries pouring like a waterfall makes you hungry just watching. Pasta cut evenly piece by piece. How many cuts per minute, you guess? Molten plastic turns into bottles in seconds. Any guess on the temperature? Tomatoes harvested without missing a fruit. Think it uses pressure sensors? Plastic film laid on soil automatically saves over 4 labor shifts a day. Auto sewing machine stitches perfectly. No more crooked lines. Wood stacked automatically like puzzle pieces. How many layers high, any guess? Steel bent with a DIY rig, smooth as a pro machine. Can you believe it? Corn stripped clean with no kernels left. How many ears per minute, you guess? Poles mounted with wire rolled on wheels. So neat, it's genius. Lettuce washed and sliced evenly. How many pounds per minute, you guess? Aluminum shear big as a chair. Cutting force must be hundreds of pounds. Cans crushed flat like paper. What's the pressing force in US tons? Surface hardened without distortion. What tech do you think they use? Metal mold pressed sharp as a blade. Springs cut and coiled like a machine's heartbeat. Must be. How many RPM you think? Pan edges stamped and spun like fire dance. How many per minute, you think? CNC cuts perfect circles. What's the margin of error in parts per thousand?